Six exercises to become taller in less time. A proper height plays an important role in a person's personality. The average height of an Indian man is 164.9 centimeters, 5 feet 4.9 inches, and of an Indian woman is 152.6 centimeters, 5 feet, according to a new research report from the Imperial College, London. Everybody in the world wants a decent height to look smart and attractive. Nowadays, people often go to the gym to increase their body strength, muscles, body shape, height, etc., but some of them fail to achieve the desired results due to inconsistent workout and lack of nutrients and water. The majority of the people can't afford highly equipped 5-star gyms, so they search out for homely or less equipment needed exercise to reach their desired goal. So if you are checking for such domestic and easy exercises, then you came to the correct place. Factors affecting your height. 1. Genes. DNA is the main factor determining a person's height. Scientists have identified more than 700 different genes that determine the height. 2. Hormones. It helps our body to build strong bones and muscles. The natural level of growth hormone fluctuates during the day, seemingly influenced by physical activity. 3. Exercise. Doing proper exercises stretches your body and muscles, which gradually increase your body height. 4. Nutrition. The most important nutrients for final height is the protein in childhood. Minerals, in particular calcium, and vitamins A and D also influence height. Because of this, malnutrition in childhood is detrimental to height. 5. Environment. Nutrition and especially lack of dietary protein is universally the most important environmental factor influencing height. Today we are going to check out some exercises that efficiently increase your height in a quick time. So here are the 6 exercises that increase your height. 1. Hanging exercise. Hanging and stretching can reverse the compression, making you slightly taller until your spine compresses again. Spinal compression can reduce your height temporarily by 1%. In tall people, this can be as much as a ½ inch. 2. Bhujangasana Cobra Pose. Bhujangasana or Cobra Pose is a reclining back-bending asana in Hatha Yoga and modern yoga as exercise. It is commonly performed in a cycle of asanas in Surya Namaskar as an alternative to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. 3. Tadasanas. Tadasana, mountain pose, or Samasthiti is a standing asana in modern yoga as exercise. It is not described in medieval Hatha Yoga texts. It is the basis for several other standing asanas. 4. Rope skipping. A skipping rope or jump rope is a tool used in the sport of skipping, jump rope, where one or more participants jump over a rope swung so that it passes under their feet and over their heads. 5. Swimming. Swimming is the self-propulsion of a person through water, usually for recreation, sport, exercise, or survival. Locomotion is achieved through coordinated movement of the limbs, the body, or both. Humans can hold their breath underwater and undertake rudimentary locomotive swimming within weeks of birth, as a survival response. 6. Cycling. Cycling, also called bicycling or biking, is the use of bicycles for transport, recreation, exercise or sport. People engaged in cycling are referred to as cyclists, bicyclists, or bikers. Apart from two-wheeled bicycles, cycling also includes the riding of unicycles, tricycles, quadricycles, recumbent and similar human-powered vehicles, HPVs. So by doing these exercises will definitely help in increasing height. Thanks for watching. For more content, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell.